Welcome to BBQPitBoys.com. Today we're grilling up some slinky dogs at the pit, and it's real easy to do. All right, it's all about hot dogs. So you're going to need a couple hot dogs for this recipe. We've got some shredded cheese, some relish, a little bit of garlic powder. We've got some mustard, of course. We've got some seasoning. Here we're using our Big Texan. You got to check it out if you get a chance. Hot dogs always taste better with butter, as you know. You're going to need some diced onions, and of course, you're going to need a little bit of that summertime liquid entertainment. All right, let's show you what a slinky dog is all about. You want to make slits in your hot dog, not all the way through, right? It's easy to just take a paring knife and slant it just a bit so it doesn't go through, and you can quickly and easily slit these hot dogs. Oh, I think you're getting a slinky part, all right? Oh, yeah. Take a look at that. See? Just like the slinky. Oh, and that's why we're making slinky dogs. Get them just like that. Now, we're going to take some butter, right? And you need butter for doing a good dog. So we add a little garlic powder in there. We're going to season it up with a little bit of our Big Texan. And we got to have a little bit of heat. So we're going to hit it with just a bit of heat. Now, this is all optional. You set this up the way you want. But now, take your God-given mixolator and give it a good mix with your fingers. That's the easy way. And you just rub it on that dog. Oh, get it in those slits, and perfect. Now, you're going to put them on the grill, not directly over the charcoal, right? This way we control the heat, and it won't take long. All right. All right. These slinky dogs are done. Take a look at that. Oh, man, are you kidding me? I think you know where we're going with this. We can pack a ton of flavor in these slinky dogs, right? Now, get yourself a good hot dog roll. And now we're going to set them up. So, a lot of you like the mustard. Some of you go heavy on the mustard. What better way is to put mustard on a slinky dog, right? Gets right in there. The mustard gets deep. Perfect. Now, like I said, you set them up the way you want, all right? We're just going to hit it with a little bit of cheese because, we do dogs a lot. And this time I feel like adding some shredded cheese. Why not? And we're going to take some of our Big Texan rub. Head on over to our website if you want to know more about our Big Texan rub, all right? And how about some diced onions? Again, set them up the way you want. Perfect. How about a little bit of pickle relish? Yes. Yes. Oh, man. I'm telling you, you better make a bunch. These are as good as that Christmas toy. Oh, man, I'll tell you what. Are you kidding? You could probably do 2 or 3 at once, I would say. All right, just in case you fell asleep, we're going to do this again. Take your slinky dog, hit it with your favorite condiments. Oh, man. I am telling you, this is the way you got to do it. All right. How about some more cheese? Now, of course, you could have fast-forwarded this, right? But we kind of like doing this. And, again, do what you want. We're going to take a little bit of more of our chipotle habanero sauce to kick it up a little bit, layer some on. And this is the part where the pitmaster's going to eat in front of you, and he's not apologizing. Oh, man. Are you good? Whoa. There's no better eating than slinky dogs at your pit. Head on over to our website to get the exact recipe. And while you're there, start a chapter. We'd be proud to have you. So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.